In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use StanStore for affiliate marketing. This guide will walk you through the process of creating products, setting up an affiliate program, sharing links, and tracking performance to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Begin by adding products or services to your StanStore that you want affiliates to promote. Log into your StanStore account and navigate to the dashboard. Look for the option labeled Add Product or Create New Item. Once you click this, you will be prompted to fill out details such as the product name, description, price, and any images you want to include. It is essential to create appealing listings, since these will be the items your affiliates will promote. After successfully adding your products, the next step involves setting up an affiliate program. Since StanStore does not have a built-in affiliate system, you will need to utilize external tools. Consider options like Referral Candy, Tapfiliate, or Post Affiliate Pro. Visit the website of your chosen affiliate tool and sign up for an account. Follow the tool's onboarding process to integrate it with your StanStore. This usually involves providing details such as your store link or product URLs, ensuring that affiliates can earn credit for any sales generated through their promotions. Once your affiliate program is established, it is time to share affiliate links. Your affiliate tool will provide you with trackable links that affiliates can use. Distribute these links to your affiliates, enabling them to promote on platforms like social media, blogs, or email campaigns. Make sure to emphasize the importance of using these specific links, as they will allow you to track their performance accurately. Tracking performance is a crucial aspect of managing your affiliate program. Utilize the analytics provided by your affiliate tool to monitor clicks, sales, and commissions generated by each affiliate. This data will help you identify which affiliates are performing well and which products are most popular. Additionally, you can optionally check StanStore analytics for overall sales trends, giving you a broader view of your store's performance. Finally, rewarding your affiliates is essential for maintaining motivation and encouraging continued promotion. You can pay commissions through Stripe or your preferred payout method. Ensure that the payment process is smooth and transparent, as this will foster a positive relationship with your affiliates and encourage them to keep promoting your products. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.